Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to remove Powered by Shopify. So as you can see, if you have your online store, okay, first you have to go to your online store and then click View Your Store. Let's just say, for example, this is your store in Shopify. If you're going to scroll down here, you can see this, in this part, you can see here, Powered by Shopify. So why is it here and what will happen if I'm going to click this one? Or if I'm going to open this into a new tab? Okay, obviously it will take directly to their store or their site. Okay, so as you can see, Shopify, it's like a promotion to their site if you're going to click this one. But of course, our tutorial is all about how to remove this one, and it's very easy. Okay, so all you have to do is just simply go back to your Shopify account. Click this and three dots here beside customize, and you can see their options. Click the last one, edit default theme content. So here you can see some options under theme content. Okay, you can see here general, newsletter, accessibility, but you just have to skip to that. And let's just focus to this filter items here. Okay, so what are you going to do is to simply type powered. And once you enter that one, you can see options below. Check out general, links, password page. You have to go to this checkout and system links. Now you can see here powered by Shopify. It's visible, but you cannot delete this one and you cannot remove. All you have to do is to press space and then click save. That's it. Now, if you go back to your Shopify store, if you're going to view your store again, and then you have to scroll down. When you scroll down here, you cannot see that powered by Shopify anymore. So that's it. That's how easy it is to remove powered by Shopify. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.